What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to disable autocorrection and predictive text on your iPhone. Autocorrection and predictive text are useful features that help speed up your typing and reduce errors by predicting what you want to say and automatically correcting mistakes. However, they can sometimes get in the way, especially if the suggestions or corrections aren't accurate or if you prefer to type manually without interruptions. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you're in the Settings app, scroll down until you see the option labeled General. Tap on General and scroll down again until you see an option called Keyboard. This is where you'll find all the settings related to typing on your iPhone, including autocorrection and predictive text. Go ahead and tap on Keyboard. Now that you're in the keyboard settings, the first option we want to look at is autocorrection. Autocorrection is the feature that automatically fixes spelling mistakes or typos as you type. To turn off autocorrection, simply tap the toggle next to it. Your iPhone won't automatically fix your typos, giving you full control over your typing. Next, let's turn off predictive text. Predictive text is the feature that suggests words or phrases as you type, appearing in the bar above your keyboard. In the same keyboard settings menu, look for the option labeled Predictive Text. Tap on a toggle to turn this feature off. Turning off autocorrection and predictive text can make your typing experience feel more manual, but it can also prevent those frustrating moments where your iPhone changes words you didn't intend to change. If you prefer more control over your typing, disabling these features can give you just that. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.